In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the theme or plugin of any WordPress website. So at the moment, I'm on this website here, travelsnippet.com, which is a WordPress website. Now, in order to find out what theme this website uses, there's two methods we can use to do it. Now, the first method is to right-click somewhere on the website, and then we're going to scroll down this menu and click on View Page Source. So that's going to bring up the source code for this website, and what you need to do is click on Control F on your keyboard to bring up the Find and Replace, and from here you're just going to search for the word theme, and then what you can do is scroll across by using the next and previous arrows, and from here this should take you to a link that looks something similar to this. So you can see we have the website URL travelsnippet.com, and then it has /WP-content /WP themes, and then / and then this is going to be the theme name. So for this particular website, the theme that they're using is called Trowel. So if I go over to Google and type in Trowel theme WordPress, you can see it's this theme here that's being used on this website. You can also do the same for plugins as well. So instead of searching for themes, we're going to search for plugins, and then we can just go through the list again by pressing the next arrow, and that's going to take us to all the URLs in this website for all the different plugin folders. So you can see here we've got a plugin called Smart Author Widget, we've got another one called Social Icons, and you can essentially just go through this list and find exactly what theme and what plugins a website is using. Now, the second method you can use to do this is by heading over to a search engine and just typing in what theme WordPress and press enter. Now, there's a bunch of different websites here that we can use to do this, but the one that I like to use is wp-themedetector.com, this one here, and then we're just going to paste the URL into this section and press the green go button. And then if we scroll down, you can see straight away it's brought up this theme, this Trowel theme, which we already discovered earlier in the source code. And then if you scroll down the page, it also has detected some plugins as well. Again, these are the plugins that we found earlier by viewing the source code, but this is essentially just an easier way to find out what theme a website is using. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.